Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today, we have a mouth-watering treat in store for you. We're going to dive into the world of seafood and explore the deliciousness of salt and pepper squid. But hold on, there's more. We'll also be revealing some unknown facts about this popular dish that will surprise you. So, let's get started. Salt and pepper squid is a beloved dish that originated in Asia, particularly in countries like China and Thailand. It has gained immense popularity around the world for its crispy texture, tantalizing flavors, and versatility. But have you ever wondered how this amazing dish came into existence? Well, here's an unknown fact for you. Salt and pepper squid actually has its roots in the Cantonese cuisine of southern China. Traditionally, the dish was made by quickly frying the squid in a wok with a simple seasoning of salt, white pepper, and other spices. It was a staple in Cantonese seafood restaurants, where freshness and quality were of utmost importance. Over time, this delectable dish made its way to various parts of the world and underwent some adaptations to suit different regional tastes. Now, let's talk about the preparation of salt and pepper squid. The dish typically starts with fresh squid, which is cleaned, scored, and cut into bite-sized pieces. The squid is then lightly coated in a mixture of flour, cornstarch, and spices, such as salt, black pepper, and sometimes additional ingredients like paprika or Chinese 5-spice powder. This coating gives the squid a delightful crunch when fried. The next step is the frying process. The squid is quickly cooked in hot oil until it turns golden brown and crispy. This high-heat cooking method ensures that the squid remains tender and juicy on the inside while developing that irresistible crunch on the outside. It's important not to overcook the squid to prevent it from becoming tough and rubbery. And now, it's time for some mind-blowing facts about salt and pepper squid. Did you know that squid is an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals? It's low in fat and calories, making it a healthier choice compared to other fried dishes. Squid also contains high levels of selenium, which is beneficial for your immune system and thyroid health. Another fascinating fact is that squid have an incredible defense mechanism. When threatened, they release a cloud of ink to confuse their predators. This ink has been used in culinary traditions around the world to create sauces and flavorings, adding a unique touch to various dishes. Lastly, salt and pepper squid isn't just limited to being served as a standalone dish. It can be used in salads, stir-fries, and even sandwiches. Its versatility allows chefs and home cooks to experiment with different flavors and textures, making it a favorite ingredient in many recipes. So there you have it, foodies. Salt and pepper squid, a delicious seafood dish with a fascinating history and some surprising facts. If you haven't tried it yet, we highly recommend giving it a go. It's an explosion of flavors that will leave you wanting more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried salt and pepper squid or if you have any unique recipes to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!